Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. So it is time for me to get rid of all of my Christmas decor. The holidays are over and I just want to start with a clean slate, get everything packed up and away and out of here. I've already started taking some stuff down and I purchased these bins from Walmart to put everything in, my ornaments and everything. So I'm just about to start cleaning up my formal living room, my regular family room, and the kitchen and get everything out of the way. So I wanted to color coordinate my ornaments in storage, so all of my red ornaments are together in this bin and they're ready to be packed away. And then I have all of my silver ornaments and my champagne ornaments that are going to go in separate bins as well. And this makes it easier next year when I'm decorating by room to just pull the bin by color. And then there are some things that I like to keep the box for. I find it easier to pack it away by just putting it back in its original box. Like this Christmas tree from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to stick it back in here and pack it away. Can we say that I did not realize how much Christmas stuff I had in this room now that everything is down and on the floor? So I just need to pack all of my ribbons up and also put all my stems together. And over here I had my Christmas tree sitting on top of this FedEx box because I wanted to give it some height. Don't judge me. You couldn't see it because the Christmas tree skirt was covering it up, which was all fine and dandy. But yeah, this is a lot of stuff. This is really a piece of work. So instead of purchasing an ornament divider, I thought it'd be easier for me to just take some foam board from the Dollar Tree and separate my ornaments this way. Particularly the smaller versus the larger champagne and ivory one that I'm going to be using for this room. And I was just measuring my cuts based on the size of the box. And my really nice breakable ornaments, I'm just using bubble wrap to wrap those up individually, and I'm going to place them in a separate container by themselves. So if you're gonna have a glam Christmas or anything sparkly, blingy, shiny in your Christmas decor, you have to be prepared for the aftermath, which is a lot of glitter everywhere, snow everywhere, just a mess of little fine things everywhere.
Just say you'll hold me forever, at least for tonight. It's been so long since I got so close to someone I know this ain't love, but let me stay a while. Pull me closer tonight, keep holding my hand. I know this ain't love, but let me stay the night.
Alright y'all, so now everything is all nice and clean and I have a nice clean slate to start with. I took the aqua out of here and I don't think I'm going to put it back in here. I really want to go with a new color. And I purchased this table right here right before Christmas, so I have absolutely nothing to put on it. But I am going to shop my house first before I go out and buy some more items to put on here. And I do have an idea for what I want to put in this decorative tray. But in the meantime, I'm going to enjoy this nice, clean, simple space. And I just need to add, you know, the decor that I want to go with for the spring and the new year in here.
No, I don't need a degree to know this ain't love at first sight.
And for some of my ornaments, I like to keep them in the clear container that they came in because it's easier for me to just store them that way as opposed to putting them in something separate. So I'm just going to put my pretty rose gold ornaments back in the package for next year. So for all of my large breakable items, I'm just wrapping them up in tissue paper individually and placing them in a bin by themselves so that they don't break in storage. It feels so good to have all of my Christmas decor packed up and ready to go in the attic. The space just feels really empty without all the decor in it from Christmas, so I'm feeling like I need to just add more things in here or either get used to it being, you know, so empty. But yeah, in the meantime, I have this clean slate to decorate with. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.